So, things are unraveling. After Leopard Woman didn't show up for our date, which is fine. Totally fine, you know, I understand these things. But I got worried. So I fired up the Ronin Force Invisible Jet and went looking for her. I must have looked for hours. I did flybys, buzzed the tower, kicked the afterburners into turbo, all that sort of militaristic flight talk. I did it all. I searched and I searched. Okay, great. I'm gonna have to do it again. I'm gonna have to make another drink. And that's when I saw it. A nuclear missile. I call them a nuke. We call them nukes, that's what we call them. Headed straight for Yonge and Dundas Square. Without thinking, I jumped out of the jet, onto the side of the nuke, rode it down through the sky, and just before it hit the ground, I used my powers to open up a 13.4 Richter scale rift. I guess my powers, probably assisted by the nuclear explosion, opened up more than just a hole in the Earth's crust. Suddenly I was free-falling through space and time. Eons went by in an instant. I witnessed the Big Bang and every subsequent age of humanity in mere moments. It was terrible and it was beautiful, and I wept and my tears turned to stars. Of course, all of this happened to the tune Dust in the Wind by the American progressive rock band Kansas. Am I imagining that last part? Yeah, I probably am. But, you know, the song just fits perfectly, thematically speaking. I don't know how long I traveled the continuum like that, or if I can even longer accept the scientific theory that time is a linear progression, given what I've seen and where I've been. But what I do know is this. I woke up in a dumpster, behind a Walmart, at the Dufferin Mall, which actually wasn't so bad as it turned out. I needed tube socks, and they had a rollback on, so, you know, I mean, when can you not use an extra pair of tube socks, honestly? Can anyone say that? I don't think so. This isn't the point. The point is, ever since I've been experiencing the same thing over and over and over again, without warning, I just get thrust through space and time and end up God knows where. It's frightening, and with each trip I seem to be gone longer than I was the last time. Am I scared? Hell yeah, I am scared. For me, for those who I know and love, maybe even for the whole planet, but mostly for me. Oh my God. This is my third Freddy Fudpucker tonight. What kind of an animal am I becoming? Clearly an animal that knows how to float a mean cocktail. Let's see a yak mix a drink like this, huh? Anyway, at least Leopard Woman's safe, right? Although, we haven't really had a chance to be in the same house together since the Continuum incident. Ooh, actually. I said, since the Continuum incident, in stores now. I just need to understand the science of what's going on, what's happening to me. I need to understand the science behind that. And more importantly, can I secure a patent? It's times like these that I really regret sending all that hate mail to Stephen Hawking. Who am I kidding? I don't regret it. I regret nothing. Steve knows what he did.